Hi everyone, I'm Callie from JSB Home Solutions, and today we're going to talk about Amish cabinetry. We talk a lot about our Amish kitchen cabinets here, and so today we thought it would be cool if you guys could see how our cabinets are made. So you'll hear from Myron from Trail Cabinet about how our cabinets are made.
Hi, my name's Myron Troyer with Trail Cabinet, and today we're going to explain the process of our cabinet manufacturing. When we have our all wood plywood come into our shop, it heads for the computerized CNC router as our first step. We take our blueprints of the kitchen or the bath and we feed it into the CNC computer. It then analyzes our sheet of plywood and cuts it out to maximize our production. Once this is done, we take all of our pieces and we run it through our edge band computerized edger, and that is to put on an all wood edge band around the edges. It is wood, it is not plastic. Our cabinets are all wood. And so once we have the edge band put on, then it heads over to our sanding booth. This is where we sand each individual piece so that once we do have it assembled, we don't have to try and crawl inside and get the edges sanded. It's done as it's laying flat on our sanding table. When it comes to our face frames, we do assemble those together with glue and pocket screws. So the face frames are all made out of hardwood. That is also then sanded and put onto the pre-assembled table. Once we have all of our parts configured, sanded, and ready for assembly, it is then pushed on down line as to where they grab it box by box, cabinet by cabinet, and start assembling them together. Our cabinets are glued and screwed for maximum strength. Once it makes a circle of our assembly line, which is all done by hand, then it goes into the final sanding booth. This is where any fillers are put in that need to be for perhaps some of the staple holes, nail holes, and so forth. And then the outside receives its final sanding at that point. When it leaves the final sanding booth, it is then put over into the final inspection section. This is where John, our final inspector, will go over it with a fine-tooth comb, looking for any defects, doing any final filling that needs to be done or sanding. He then labels it and it goes over ready to be shipped over into our finishing department. The cabinets go over to our finishing shop, which is at a separate location. Our finishes are all catalyzed finishes, which gives it the maximum durability. But once it comes back into our production facility, the girls then take it and do what we call pre-install. That's where they are installing all the accessories, the doors, the drawers, adjusting everything, Lazy Susan, silverware trays, everything is installed at that point. Once they have done the final inspection and taken pictures of it, they then go ahead and put foam around the cabinet boxes, shrink wrap it, and get it ready for shipping. Our smaller items, trim packages and so forth, some of those are boxed, others are simply shrink wrapped. But everything, when it goes on the truck, is then blanket wrapped for total protection until it reaches its final destination. At Trail Cabinet, we believe in producing a product that is all wood, is hand produced, and has top quality. There are many options out there to choose from, and we appreciate taking a look at Trail Cabinet, where quality and service is of great importance to us.
If you found this video interesting or helpful, hit like and subscribe to our channel for more remodeling content. And if you'd like to contact us for a kitchen remodel of your own, you can find the link in the description. We're here to make your kitchen dreams come true. So dream big and remodel smart.